Alright, what's up, YouTube? Alright, we're out on a nice little Sunday fun day ride, and gonna do a little review on the dynojet quick shifter. And I don't know if I said it before, but I love quick shifters. Don't get me wrong, I do love the whole clutch, you know, shifting. There's some nostalgia there, but there's something about not having to worry about that clutch and just banging through the gears. Now, the dynojet quick shifter will only do upshifting. It doesn't do downshifting. So you have to get a system that has it's called an auto blipper, to where it blips the throttle. Which I'll talk more about rev matching and blipping the throttle in another video. But I am a big fan of quick shifters. They just are super convenient and exciting and fun. And if you've been riding a long time, you're quick at shifting, and you've gotten good at it. You can concentrate on other things when you're shifting. You can, if you're racing somebody or hauling ass, you don't have to worry about. It's like second nature to shift. Some people it's not that way. I can usually quick shift pretty well, but nowhere near as good as a quick shifter. I just concentrate on where I'm going and my RPMs, the sound of my bike, and just go through the gears. But now I am having some issues with first and second to third. It's a little rough. It goes in the gear. It goes in fine, but it's a big kind of a jerk movement. And a fellow Z900 person from the forums, the Z900 forums, they suggested to change the milliseconds. The stock milliseconds when you're setting up the dynojet quick shifter is 65 milliseconds. And he suggested changing them to 85. See if that helps with the gears. See if it's smoother. And of course, to raise the RPMs from 3,000 higher. But I'm more concerned with the first and second to third. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little ride as soon as we get out some of this traffic down one of these side roads. We're going to, go through first and second so I can show you what it's doing. And then we're going to change first and second gear to a longer shift interval. Dynojet has an app that you can use that's only for Android, and it is a really great app. You can customize and connect with pretty much anything without having a computer. So I'm going to go over that app a little bit, show you how to adjust. Alright, so let's but I'll review that app in another video. Alright, so here's first. Okay, first to second to third, and third to fourth. Alright, so first to second was pretty bumpy. Second to third wasn't too bad. Third to fourth was pretty smooth. So let's do that again. Make sure there's no traffic behind me. Slow down. Alright. So I'm going to try, let's do it again. Alright, a little smooth. Bumpy. Smooth. Alright, so I'm shifting right around 6,000 to 7,000 RPMs with maybe a 20% throttle. The first and second is it's a little bumpy. Third to fourth was smooth. But again, first to second, and second to third. And those are like some of your main gears, the performance when you're on it and you're trying to get the lead of something, or usually first and second are your most important gears to go through. So let's find a little spot here we can pull over, and let's connect to the power commander and change our milliseconds. Alright, so here we go. So this is the app, quick shifter. And we're going to change this to 85. And we're just going to change second gear to 85. And we're going to leave the other ones alone because they feel like they're doing okay. So, okay. So as you see here, we can do a cell pump, rev extend, fuel trends, quick shifter, auto tune, throttle positioning sensor, and device mapping. Alright, so we're done. Unplug it. Alright, let's do some testing. Oh, it's a beautiful road. So here we got these beautiful canopy roads. These trees, big oak trees cascading. It's gorgeous. Alright, no cars behind us. Slow down. Alright. Now we're going to do first to second. Oh, second to third. Third to fourth. Alright, so third to fourth, it seems a little bumpier. First and second, it definitely feels better. Second to third, way better. I think I should have done third and fourth. Slow down now. Let's do that again. All right. Yeah, definitely need to do third and fourth. Man, first and second are way better. First to second, second to third. Now third to fourth, I think I need to hook back up and extend that to 85 also. Now what about fourth to fifth? Let's see how that is. Oh, that's nice. Fifth to sixth? Oh yeah, no problem there. So one thing you do need for this is an adapter. But like I said, I'll go over this in another video on how to set this up and configure if you have a dynojet system. All right, so 85 for third and fourth. Oh, first and second are way better. Second to third feels good. Now again, 3,000 RPMs is a little low. So if you want to try and shift at those RPMs, especially the fuel management system, I think it's a little low. But I don't ever really shift the higher gears. I will, like right here at 4,500. It's really not that bad. Fourth to fifth, it's easy. That's one of the only reasons why I do that. Is because, you know, just to switch to the higher end gears at lower RPMs, really no issue. Okay. And so let's drop down again. Let's go down to perfect. Okay. Slow down, no cars behind me. Alright. Oh, smooth. Smooth. Oh, I didn't feel that one. Wow, that was really smooth. Yeah, I definitely like that. Oh, that's way better. Oh, thank you so much from the Z900 forums. He suggested to make those changes. So that's awesome. So as a simple Simon's review, I say the quick shifter is a thumbs up. If you have a chance to get a quick shifter, get one. They're not that expensive, especially if you have a power commander. You can add it for, you know, $100 and you have a quick shifter. Now, if you don't have a power commander or you don't have any kind of aftermarket system on your bike, then it might be a little more money, and you might want to think about that. I wouldn't buy a power commander just for a quick shifter. Now, for aftermarket add-ons and more performance, I would. But again, that's just me. Do I really need this bike any faster than it is? No, because this bike is super fast. I know a lot of people say, oh, it's quick, oh, it's just, no, this bike is badass. So I have to do a review on the bike itself. Oh, look at this road, it's so beautiful. Please like and subscribe. I'll bring you some more videos, and thanks again. And we'll see you guys later. Till next time. Peace.